In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Taskbar Hero crashing on Steam. Let's get started. First, launch Steam and right-click on Taskbar Hero in your library. Then select Properties. In the General tab, locate the Launch option field and enter DX11. This forces the game to use DirectX 11, which can help resolve compatibility issues. Next, go to Install Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for and repair any missing or corrupted game files. Once that process is complete, open your web browser and download the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. You can search for Visual C++ redistributable or use the link provided in the video description. Make sure to download and install both the x86 and x64 versions. After installation, restart your PC to ensure the changes take effect. After restarting, check that your graphic drivers are fully up to date. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience and install the latest driver update. If you are using AMD, open AMD software and update your drivers from there. Keeping your GPU drivers current can fix many game crashes and performance issues. Finally, right-click on Steam and select Run as Administrator. Once Steam launches, start Taskbar Hero from your library. In most cases, these steps will resolve the crashing issue and allow you to play normally again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.